Because I love you.
Because I don't get last lesson.
Okay, well, if you don't get last lesson, this is really going to suck. But
Okay, well, I'm going to get it.
okay. So last time we were here, x-axis, y-axis. We had one line like that. We might have another line like that. And this is no, yeah, this will be 8.5. And so what we did is we found the area under the curve between a couple points. So let's say it was between 1 and 4. So we just found this area right here. Okay. So we took top minus bottom. Okay. And then in between the x values of 1 and 4 for this case, so it'd be the integral of blue minus orange from 1 to 4. We're good with that, right? Okay. Now, the important thing to know, because we're going to turn things on its head today, well, no, just on their side, not on their head, because on their head would flip it upside down, is knowing that these values are x values that were in between, and it's top minus bottom. So today, when we're in terms of y, we're going this direction towards the x-axis. So we're going further away to closer away. So we're doing this time orange to blue. Now, if we're doing orange to blue, would I go from here to here where they cross? And the answer is no. I got to go on the y-axis for what we're in between. So it'd be the integral of the orange minus the blue. Because orange is further away, blue is closer to the axis, in between where they cross. They cross right there and they cross right there. Okay? And then you have to take the y values. This is negative whatever, and this is positive whatever. Okay? So which of the ones on the right show that? The first one, the second one, A, B, C, or D? Which of them? It is D. Because this is the orange, this is the blue, this is negative, this is positive. See how that makes sense? Okay. This one. Okay. What would we do here? Well, this would be the integral of y cubed plus 8 minus 0. Well, you don't need to put that in there. From negative 1 to 2. But how would you put this into your graphing calculator? Well, to put it in your graphing calculator, you do the exact same thing as you would do if they were x's. Because if we just turn it in the x direction, this is what it would be. Okay? So, we're fine just doing it like that. Okay? Put it into your calculator. This one. Now, I would say we should go from the right to the left on this. Okay? Which of these make sense from going from the right to the left? So we have to go blue minus orange. The blue is 7y plus 18. The orange is 2y squared plus 19y plus 18. Well, if we distribute the negative sign, the 18's cancel. So it's negative 2y squared minus 12y. Negative 2y squared minus 12y is either this one or this one. So it's not this, not this. So which one makes sense with the picture, A or C? A does, because it goes from negative 6 up to 0, not from negative 4.75 to 18. They cross right at 0. Okay, so this is just, okay, using common sense, go from right to left, just like before we went from top to bottom, and use their x values. Here we go from right to left, use our y values. Okay? All right, that's it. Because this stuff is the next lesson, which we'll cover in the first half on Monday, and then the second half will start on the, it gets really bad after this. Yeah, it gets really, the whole rest of the chapter is awful. And not just awful, it is horribly awful.
Are you being serious?
I am being serious. So this is the worst. We're coming into the worst 3 sections of AP Calc starting next week. So next Tuesday we'll just start, and it won't. Next Tuesday won't be bad. Next Tuesday won't be bad. Pi Day is next Friday.
It's like a Friday fun day, and we don't do anything.
Yeah, we knew we are not doing anything.
We're doing Pi Day.
We're doing Pi Day on Friday. No